Hello, today we are making Asian salmon. This is the best recipe. It's only 5 ingredients. One of them is a beautiful fillet of salmon like this one, or you can use steelhead trout. I got this recipe from my friend Sam, and then I dressed it up with my own little spin. But what I love about it is it's so simple. You marinate the salmon and then you either bake it or smoke it. It's so good. So let me show you how. Because this is a marinade, I use a zip top bag, and I love these little bag holders I got on Amazon. I'll link them for you in the comments. So you're just gonna take your minced garlic, the maji, it's this stuff, brown sugar, mine's a little dried out, but that's fine because it's a marinade, and then your Korean chili paste. So you get it in there, and you can use as much or as little of this Korean chili paste as you want. It's not super spicy. It does have some spice to it, and it's also a little bit sweet. I love it because it just adds like a little depth of flavor to the salmon, but if you don't want it spicy or you'd rather use sriracha or a different chili paste, you can totally do that too. I found it in the Asian market section, like the Asian aisle of the grocery store. So I got it at a regular grocery store. I did not have to go to a specialty store to get it. So mix it up in your bag and then add your salmon. And I'm doing skin on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it in half with the flesh on the outside, the skin on the inside, so that the majority of the marinade is on the outside and the fleshy part of the salmon. And this bag holder makes it super simple to mix up a marinade and get your fish in it. Then once it's in, I'm just going to make sure it gets nice and coated, and then I'll stick it in the fridge. In about 15 minutes, I'll flip it over so both sides get plenty of marinade, and then it's going on the grill. Okay, it's been half an hour, it's well marinated, now it's time to put it on the grill. I'm gonna cook it at 450 degrees. It'll probably take about 20 to 25 minutes. I'll use my meat thermometer, my instant read thermometer. This is the ThermaPen 1 from ThermoWorks. It's the best one out there. And once it hits 140, we'll pull it off. It is the best salmon. You will love it. I'm telling you, it's everything you want in salmon. It's flaky and tender and delicious and so flavorful.